we've got another alarm here. It's 11:40 in the morning. It's about 5 hours after the last one. You can see this is the children's hospital. Some people are going down to the basement there. They're all supposed to come out of the building. So we may see people coming out here. There they come. Pray for the safety here in this city. You've got mothers with little babies. You have that in every city, but I get a personal view of it right here behind my apartment outside of my kitchen window. And so it makes me painfully aware of it. Be praying for our city for peace and safety so that I can continue my work here and so that everyone can be safe.